This project is the demonstration of cargo booking system. Cargo booking system will manage the goods in warehouse. This software will have supplier login and warehouse for different warehouses. By using this system, supplier can have an eye of the goods that he has in warehouses. The admin has overall rights over the system and can moderate the process. Let's see how the system works. There are two login. One is admin login and the warehouse login. In admin login, which will be accessed by the supplier, and the warehouse login will be accessed by the supervisor. Let's see the admin login. Here, the admin will enter his admin ID and password. Once he logins to the system, he will be redirected to Add Warehouse page. Here, the ID is automatically generated by the system. He will specify the following details: the place where the warehouse is existing, and the supervisor name who is supervising the warehouse, and the capacity of the warehouse, and the contact number. Let's enter. Let's enter the supervisor name and the contact number of the supervisor. Once he enters the details, clicks on the submit button. Data is submitted. Let's see the order cargo module. The order ID is automatically generated by the system. Here, the supplier specifies the quantity he requires and the warehouse place from where he needs the goods, and clicks on the order button to place the order. Next, we see shift order module. In this, supplier will check for space in particular warehouse. If he finds less space in particular warehouse, he will shift the goods to other warehouse. Here, supplier will specify the order ID by selecting the ID from the drop-down list. System will display the warehouse place as well as the quantity being ordered by the supplier. He will shift these goods to other warehouse by selecting the place which is listed in this drop-down list. Here, system will display the capacity of the warehouse and the quantity which are available in the warehouse. Once he filled up the details, clicks to the shift button. By clicking on the shift button, the goods will be shifted to other place. These details will be stored in the database. Let's see the view order module. In view order module, here the supplier will get to know the details about the goods being shifted from one place to another and the date and time, as well as the goods which are accepted by the particular warehouse and which are not accepted by the particular warehouse. It will also be displayed here. Let's see the track cargo module. Here, the supplier will specify the order ID. Let's enter the order ID. Once he clicks onto the search button, he will see the places from where the goods are shifted from as well as shifted to, and the timing the goods had been shifted. And let's see reorder module. In reorder module, since now there no data related to reorder of damaged goods, here whatever the damaged goods will be specified by the supervisor of the warehouse. Once the supervisor gets the goods, he checks whether the goods are damaged or not. If he finds any goods are damaged, he will reorder the damaged goods and he will give the note about the damaged goods, which will be displayed here in reorder of damaged goods in this module. So here, once the supplier sees the details about the damaged goods and he will reorder the damaged goods. Let's see the warehouse login. This will be accessed by the supervisor of the warehouse by using his user ID and password. Let's enter the user ID and password. Once the supervisor logins to the system, we will be redirected to the acceptance page. Here, supervisor will check the goods that has been shifted to the current warehouse. If the goods are not damaged and it has been shifted to the current warehouse, he will accept these goods by clicking on the yes button over here. Let's see the dispatch module. Here, the goods which are to be dispatched from the current warehouse will be, the details about that will be displayed over here. Once the goods are dispatched from the current warehouse, you will click on to this yes button. Let's see the damaged goods module. Here, supervisor will check whether the goods are damaged or not, shifted goods are damaged or not, and he will specify the order ID mentioned over here, and he will give a note about the damaged goods, and this note and these details will be displayed to the admin. Admin will check out the note as well as the order ID, and he will reorder the damaged goods. Let's see gate pass module. In this, supervisor will have a gate pass by specifying the order ID and the weight of the goods. We'll specify the weight of the goods and clicks to the submit button. You will get gate pass in printed form. This is how the system works. Thank you.